Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chance given to me. I will present our paper entitled Application of Duckbone Gelatin and Sodium Alginate-based Edible Coating Materials on Beef Sausage Quality During Chilled Storage with our research team, me as a presenter, Muhammad Habbib Khirzin, and our member, Abdul Khalik, Trias Ayu Laksanawati, Wilan Habibi, Fatmawati, and Firani. Background. Plastic waste in 2021 has reached 66 tons, so we must look for an alternative to reduce plastic waste, such as edible coating. Previous research reported that gelatin that extracted from duck bone has physicochemical properties that meet Indonesian standard, so it can be used as edible coating material. Another material was natrium alginate. The combination of natrium alginate and duck bone gelatin has expected that increased storage time of sausage. So, from this background, the aim of this research was to study the efficacy of duck bone gelatin and natrium alginate coating materials on beef sausage quality during chilled storage. This research was divided into 4 steps. The first is gelatin extraction. Duck bone soaked in natrium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, water, and heated for 2 hours. Gelatin filter, centrifuge, and dried using vacuum oven. The next, sausage production. Beef, flour, and spices were added and the dough was boiled, cooled, and edible coating was applied. Next, edible coating production. 2% of gelatin, 1% of natrium alginate, and 2% of glycerol were added and heat until completely dissolved. The last is application. Beef sausage was dipped in the edible solution and then dried and observed for 1 until 4 weeks. Result and discussion. The first parameter is free fatty acid. The result of statistical tests show that the difference in the storage time gave significant effect on free fatty acid. The longer the storage time, the more free fatty acid increase. The coating treatment restrained the rate of increase in free fatty acid compared to the control treatment. The maximum free fatty acid in the product is 1% based on AOCS 2011. The second parameter was pH. The result of statistical tests show that the difference in the storage time gave significantly effect on pH. The longer the storage time, the more pH decreased. The coating treatment restrained the rate of decrease in pH compared to the control treatment. The third parameter was weight loss. From this picture, we can see that the difference in the storage time gave significantly effect on weight loss. The longer the storage time, the more weight loss increase. The coating treatment restrained the rate of increase in weight loss compared to the control treatment. Son and Chin 2008 state that gelatin coating has moisture barrier properties, so it can inhibit weight loss of product. The fourth parameter was moisture content. The result of statistical tests show that the difference in the storage time gave significantly effect on moisture content. The longer the storage time, the more moisture content decrease. The coating treatment restrained the rate of decrease in moisture content compared to the control treatment. Wang et al. 2019 state that moisture content decreased due to protein denaturation. The fifth parameter was protein content. The result of statistical tests show that the difference in the storage time gave significantly effect on protein content. The longer the storage time, the more protein content increased. The coating treatment restrained the rate of increase in protein content compared to the control treatment. The sixth parameter was total plate count. From this picture, we can see that the difference in the storage time can significantly affect on total plate count. The longer the storage time, the more bacteria count increase. The coating treatment restrains the rate of increase in bacteria count compared to the control treatment. Rafico et al. 2011 state that edible coating can coat food so it can inhibit microbial contamination of the product. Conclusion. The results show that the free fatty acid, protein content, total plate count, and weight loss increase during storage. Meanwhile, water content, pH, color, aroma, and texture decrease. Edible coatings are able to maintain a decrease in quality up to 4 weeks of storage. Acknowledgement. This research was supported by Politeknik Negeri Banyuwangi. We thank for the research funding through PBRIP SIMS 2023. There is no conflict of interest. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.